Content creation is evolving faster than ever, and AI is leading the revolution. From eye-catching thumbnails to AI-generated scripts and captions, today's tools can save you time, effort, and even money. But how effective are they really? And which ones should you be using? Stick around, because in this video, we're diving deep into how AI is transforming content creation, and we'll even test out some tools in real time. Let's start with one of the most important elements of YouTube videos: thumbnails. A thumbnail can make or break your video's success. Studies show that 90% of top-performing videos have custom thumbnails, but designing them can be time-consuming unless you use AI. Some great AI tools for thumbnail creation include Canva's Magic Design, Adobe Firefly AI, and Photor AI. These tools can generate high-quality thumbnails in seconds, saving you time and boosting your click-through rate. Did you know that over 80% of people watch videos with subtitles on? Whether it's for accessibility, engagement, or SEO, captions are crucial. But manually typing them out? That's a headache. Thankfully, AI makes this process automatic and accurate. Some of the best AI tools for captions include YouTube's Auto Captions, Descript, and CapCut. These tools help generate captions quickly and even translate them into different languages for global reach. Now let's talk about something game-changing: AI-generated scripts. Whether you're making YouTube videos, podcasts, or TikTok content, coming up with a solid script can take hours. But AI can generate a structured, engaging script in minutes. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and Vizsla AI can generate full scripts, giving you a head start on your content. You still need to add your personal touch, but AI helps speed up the process significantly. Now let's take AI even further: automated video editing. Tools like Vizsla, Runway ML, and Descript can edit your videos automatically by cutting out silence, adjusting pacing, and even adding B-roll footage. With AI editing, you can cut down post-production time by 50% or more, allowing you to focus on what really matters: creating content. So, where is AI taking content creation next? We're seeing rapid advancements in AI-generated avatars, voice cloning, and even AI-driven storytelling. Soon, AI might even edit entire videos for you. All you need to do is upload raw footage. One thing's for sure: creators who embrace AI will stay ahead of the game. What do you think about AI in content creation? Have you used any of these tools? Let's chat in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more brainy content like this.